Ross, it's Mother's Day, and even Mother Nature really cooperated today. Very pleasant day for the moms.
Yeah, if there's one day we want the forecast to be right, it's Mother's Day, right? So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, including your mom, Frances.
Yes, and yours, Charlotte.
Thanks for remembering, Mark. And hopefully you all remembered that it was Mother's Day today. You still have some time. Let's take a look at your forecast now for tomorrow. So the overnight temperature will very much depend on where you are around the GTA. Head away from the water, northern York, northern Durham, going to be closer to the low single digits, possibly some patchy frost possible. Closer to the water, going to be 5 to 6 degrees overnight. Temperatures, though, with a westerly wind developing, will get back to the 20s around the GTA with plenty of sunshine. It's going to be some ups and downs this week because we'll get into some cooler conditions by Tuesday night, especially with the risk of more frost, and Wednesday will be a cooler day too. Hot conditions out west. That's what we've been tracking. The heat dome across portions of the west, BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan. Hot conditions in southern Manitoba. Not good for the wildfire situation there. Whereas things have been on the cooler side. Instead of into the 20s over the last couple of days around the Great Lakes, we've been more towards the high teens, so a bit more of a trough in place. There is a disturbance that is going to drop down, and ahead of it, some warmer conditions and then cooler conditions in its wake. The heat will be continuing out west in through early this week. High pressure in place today, but some high cloud cover streaming across southern Ontario and the GTA around Peterborough, Kingston. A lot more pure sunshine, but some of that sunshine has been filtered by those high clouds out there. We're going to start to see this clear overnight, and that's why with light winds and clear skies, there is the risk of frost, especially across northern portions of the GTA, Kitchener towards portions of Midwestern Ontario. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow around Ottawa, Peterborough, Kingston, but there is that risk of frost around Peterborough into tomorrow morning, or at least patchy frost. We'll get into more cloud cover at times on Tuesday. There's the boundary. In its wake, much cooler conditions. This boundary could bring the chance of showers on Tuesday afternoon and towards the evening hours. So, depending on where you are, those areas under the frost advisory will experience cooler conditions, but all areas, many areas, back to the 20s, including Ottawa, Peterborough, Toronto, breezy southwesterly winds at times. You can see pleasant conditions heading into Monday afternoon. We are into that cooler air, though. Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, the risk of some frost, especially away from the water, inland areas, and will be cool on Thursday morning as well. Look at the high on Wednesday, only 12 degrees, 16 on Thursday. Temperatures recover Friday. The chance of showers Saturday looks drier for Sunday. And that's a look at your forecast.